Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 6. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed from Beria Foundation College Noshara Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to learn about some functions of DOS as operating system used in computer system. So dear students, first of all, number one is organizing information in files. Second one is organizing files in directories. Number three, dividing directories into subdirectories. So dear students, first of all, there is the organizing information in files. So dear students, we are already aware that data that we store on computer in files, each file is given name and is stored in the memory. Programming files are created by programmers. They store instructions for running programs. Data files store information created by users of computers. So dear students, whatever we are going to create a folder based on the data storage, and we assign a name to our folder, and whatever we want to store in our folders, this process is known as organizing data in files. Dear students, secondly, option is organizing files into directories. So dear students, we know that a disk can hold thousands of files depending on its size. So dear students, whenever you are going to purchase your hard drive, so you will have to tell the capacity or the size of the hard drive that we need. 40 GB hard drive, 80 GB hard drive, 160 hard drive, 200 GB hard drive. So dear students, there are the capacities to store data into hard drive, and we have to decide to store our data according to the size of the hard drive. So dear students, it can be difficult to look for a specific file amongst so many. It's easier to group related files into directories. We can use ms-dos commands to group data files into directories. So dear students, by studying this passage of our topic, we can imagine that in hard drive that there is the capacity divided into the partitions, and in each partition we can address our data to be stored into storage CD or storage device. So dear students, third one is dividing directories into subdirectories. Dear students, for suppose we can create additional directories or organize our files. A directory within another directory is called subdirectory. Organization of directories, subdirectories and files is called directory ट्री. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्या होता है कि हार्ड ड्राइव के अंदर हम पार्टीशंस बनाते हैं. हार्ड ड्राइव के पार्टीशंस में हम अपने फोल्डर्स बनाते हैं और फोल्डर्स को सूटेबल नाम देते हैं डेटा को स्टोर करने के लिए. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर सपोज एक हमारे पास हार्ड ड्राइव है. हार्ड ड्राइव एक हमारे लिए डायरेक्टरी है। डायरेक्टरी का मतलब ये होता है कि हम उसमें डेटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए, फॉर एवर के लिए, ताकि हमें जब भी ज़रूरत पड़े डेटा को एक्सेस करने की तो हम वहाँ से डेटा को स्टार्ट कर सके, डेटा को प्रोसेस कर सके। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम अपनी हार्ड ड्राइव को पार्टीशन में तकसीम करते हैं, उसको सी ड्राइव, डी ड्राइव, एफ ड्राइव, ई ड्राइव, जो कुछ नाम हम दे देते हैं उसको हम डायरेक्टरीज कहते हैं। और ये जो डायरेक्टरीज होती हैं इनको हम कहते हैं सब डायरेक्टरीज। उस सब डायरेक्टरीज के अंदर फिर आ जाते हैं हमारे फोल्डर्स, आ जाते हैं हमारी डेटा के नेम्स आ जाते हैं। उस हिसाब से हम डेटा को ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, डेटा को स्टोर करते हैं। तो इस सारे मरहले को ऑर्गेनाइजिंग डेटा इन फाइल्स कहते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग फाइल्स इन डायरेक्टरीज कहते हैं, या डिवाइडिंग डायरेक्टरीज इनटू सब डायरेक्टरीज कहते हैं। उसके अलावा डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो हमारा टॉपिक है इस चैप्टर में ग्राफिकल यूज़र इंटरफेस। Graphical user interface is the visual images which help users to give instructions to the operating systems, and graphical user creates an environment in which user can interact with computers in form of giving the instructions to the computers. So dear students, a graphical user interface, that is GUI in short form, consists of the following elements: windows, icons, menus and pointers. So dear students, today's chapter is ended here, and in coming up lecture we will do the activity pages of this chapter, and your homework about today's lecture is to describe or write the description of graphical user interface on page and WhatsApp me on our WhatsApp group. Dear students, in coming up lecture we will do the activity pages of this chapter, and after it we will start new chapter number 6. So dear students, we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.